Hello everyone, hi, this is Teacher Shane. Welcome back to Shane's Magic Treehouse. I hope everyone's doing great because I'm feeling great and full of energy. Yes, because I get to teach you English. Yeah. So now guys, we are going to use those 5 vocabulary words that we learned in the last video. Do you remember those words that we spelled together? Sunny, windy, rainy, snowy, foggy. Yeah, those words we are going to put it in sentence patterns. Are you guys ready? Here we go. Is it sunny today? Yes, it is sunny today. Very good. You can also say, no, it is not sunny today. Amazing. The next sentence pattern word is rainy. Is it rainy today? No, it is not rainy today. You can say also, yes, it is rainy today. Very good. The next sentence pattern word is windy. Is it windy outside? Yes, it is windy outside. You can also say, no, it is not windy outside. Awesome. The next sentence pattern word is snowy. Here we go. Is it snowy or windy today? It is snowy today. Very good. Hey, you guys are really good at this. Okay. The last sentence pattern word is foggy. Is it sunny or foggy today? It is foggy today. Very good. Great job, everyone. Awesome. We just learned our 5 new sentence patterns. Yeah. Do you guys feel happy? I bet you guys are happy because you just learned some new sentence patterns with Teacher Shane. Now you can go practice those sentence patterns with your mommy and daddy. Yeah, trust me, they will help you and you will get better in your English. Thank you guys so much for looking at my video, and I will see you guys again next time, okay? Bye-bye.